In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste elements in Wix. If you've ever wanted to reuse a design you love, like a button style, a contact block, or an entire header, this will save you a ton of time and keep your site looking consistent. We'll walk through opening your site in the editor, copying a single element, pasting it exactly where you need it, and if you want, copying multiple elements together so they land in perfect alignment. Start by opening your Wix site in the editor. From your Wix dashboard, click Design Site or Edit Site. Give it a moment to load your page layout with all its sections and elements. It's worth waiting for everything to render so you're selecting the right items and seeing accurate previews of spacing and alignment. Next, choose the element you want to copy. Hover over it so you see its outline or selection handles. This could be a text box, an image, a button, or even a whole container or section. Right-click directly on the element to open the context menu. You'll see options like Help, Cut, Copy, and Arrange. Click Copy. If you prefer shortcuts, use Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. You'll know it worked if the element stays selected and you don't see any changes yet. Copying won't move anything until you paste. Now navigate to the place where you want that element to appear. This can be a different section on the same page or a completely different page in your site. Right-click in an empty area of the canvas or inside the target section, then click Paste. You can also press Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac. The element will appear in the new location, usually near your cursor or centered within the section. From there, drag it into position, resize it, or edit its content just like the original. If it seems to land on top of something else, drag it slightly to reveal it, and use alignment guides to snap it into place. If you want to move several pieces at once, hold Shift and click each element to build your selection, or click and drag a selection box around them. Right-click and choose Group Elements if you want them to travel as a single unit, then click Copy. Head to the New section, right-click and select Paste. Everything will come over together, preserving spacing and relative alignment. You can always ungroup later to fine-tune. A few quick tips as you work. Copying usually preserves styles and links, but double-check page-specific links and anchors after pasting. Review your changes in mobile view to confirm the layout still looks great. And if something lands in the wrong spot, undo is your friend. Now you know how to copy and paste elements in Wix to quickly replicate clean, consistent designs across your site. If you found this helpful, feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more simple Wix tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.